Hey guys, welcome to my workshop. Today's quick tip, I wanted to share with you something that I do a lot of in my shop on different things. And primarily I do this with my little chip brushes that I use to apply varnishes and stains and sometimes even paint. What I like to do is when I go to buy these, instead of buying these all individually, which can honestly get a little expensive, I try to buy them in bulk. And the reasons for that, if you're in a store and you go to buy one of these little brushes, you know, I've got 1-inch ones and I got 2-inch brushes. If you go to a store and try to buy these, you could easily pay almost $1 for these 2-inch ones at Lowe's, maybe 50 to 60 cents for these 1-inch ones. And, you know, still, that's really cheap. But if you add those up to the quantity that you can get in a bulk box, and these in particular I got straight from Harbor Freight, and you can get a lot in a box, so basically 36 in each box, and both of these are under 15 bucks. So if you do the math, you're spending way less to buy these brushes in bulk than trying to buy them individually. And then, you know, I can get a little stingy. So like for instance, I got a 1-inch brush, I've cleaned it. I mean, most of the time you would just maybe throw these away, but I try to clean them and just reuse them as much as I can. But even besides brushes, another thing to do is to stock up on masking tape. I'm not sure if you like to use masking tape in your workshop, but I use it a lot for many different things, and I'll cover that in a whole nother video. But I like to try to keep a stock of it here on my shelf so that I always have something readily there and available to me to just grab, use it when I need to use it, and then put it back when I'm done. So that's my tip for you today. Little items that you use a lot of, even pencils. Buy them in bulk because you'll save some money. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.